Have you ever imagined standing at the edge of a fiery eruption or witnessing the birth of a new island? Volcanoes are not just mountains that explode, they are windows into the inner workings of our planet. In this video, we'll explore everything about volcanoes, their formation, the science behind their eruptions, the different types, and how they've shaped our world. You'll also learn about some of the most famous eruptions in history and how volcanoes impact life on Earth. So, get ready to journey into the heart of Earth's most explosive marvels. A volcano is a natural opening in the Earth's crust that allows magma, gases, and ash to escape from beneath the surface. But why does this happen? Let's begin with the structure of the Earth. Picture the Earth as a giant layered sphere. The outermost layer, called the crust, is what we live on. Below it is the mantle, a thick layer of semi-solid rock. Deeper still is the core, made of molten and solid metals. The mantle is where magma forms. High temperatures and pressures in this layer melt rocks into molten material called magma. When magma builds up in chambers beneath the crust, it finds weak points or cracks to escape. When it reaches the surface, it's called lava. Volcanoes are not randomly scattered. Most of them are located along tectonic plate boundaries, where the Earth's crust is constantly moving. This is why we see volcanoes concentrated in specific regions, like the Pacific Ring of Fire. To understand how volcanoes form, we need to delve into the movement of tectonic plates. These plates float on the mantle and interact in three main ways. 1. Divergent boundaries. Here, plates move apart, allowing magma to rise and fill the gap, creating new crust. For example, Iceland's volcanoes are formed this way. 2. Convergent boundaries. When one plate slides beneath another, it melts and forms magma. This process creates volcanic arcs, like the Andes Mountains in South America. 3. Hot spots. These are unique. Instead of plate boundaries, magma rises from deep within the mantle at fixed points, forming volcanoes like those in Hawaii. Each of these processes takes thousands to millions of years, but the results are spectacular. Visualize magma rising, breaking through the surface, and creating new landforms. Let's break down the anatomy of a volcano. At the base, we have the magma chamber, a reservoir of molten rock. Leading up to the surface is the main vent, a channel through which magma travels. Surrounding the vent is the crater, the ball-shaped opening at the top of a volcano. During some eruptions, smaller side channels called secondary vents may form. Volcanoes can also have massive calderas, which are large depressions formed when a volcano's magma chamber empties and collapses. Yellowstone in the US is a famous example of a caldera. There are three primary types of volcanoes, each with unique characteristics. 1. Shield volcanoes. These are broad, dome-shaped volcanoes with gentle slopes. They form from highly fluid lava that spreads over large areas. Example, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, the largest volcano on Earth. 2. Composite volcanoes, stratovolcanoes. Tall, steep-sided volcanoes formed from alternating layers of lava and ash. They're known for their explosive eruptions. Example, Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount Street Helens in the US. 3. Cinder cone volcanoes. Small, steep-sided volcanoes made mostly of ash and rock fragments. They're usually the result of short-lived eruptions. Example, Paracutin in Mexico. Each type of volcano offers a unique glimpse into the geological processes of shaping our world. Throughout history, volcanic eruptions have captured human imagination and left lasting impacts. Mount Vesuvius, 1979 AD. This eruption buried the Roman city of Pompeii under ash, preserving it for centuries. Krakatoa, 1883. An explosive eruption in Indonesia created tsunamis and altered global weather, causing a volcanic winter. These eruptions remind us of the beauty and danger of volcanoes. It all starts with pressure building up in the magma chamber. As magma rises, gases like water vapor and carbon dioxide expand, creating immense force. So, what happens during an eruption? When the pressure becomes too great, the magma breaks through the surface, releasing lava, ash, and gases. Eruptions can vary greatly. Effusive eruptions, lava flows gently, like in shield volcanoes. Explosive eruptions, these release ash clouds and pyroclastic flows, as seen in stratovolcanoes. Volcanoes are both creators and destroyers. On the positive side, they create fertile soil, new land, and provide geothermal energy. On the negative side, they can destroy homes, disrupt ecosystems, and even alter global climates. Volcanoes remind us of the dynamic nature of our planet and the forces shaping its future. Volcanoes are a testament to Earth's incredible power and resilience. They are fascinating, dangerous, and vital to understanding our planet. Which aspect of volcanoes amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.